Namaskar. Today we are going to introduce a new chapter which is called quadratic equation. So, a new equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, a, b, c are real, is called quadratic equation, where the highest power of the variable x, here we have the variable x, where the highest power of the variable is 2. That means degree is 2, then we can say that the equation is a quadratic. Or can be said the polynomial of degree 2 is quadratic and is also called standard quadratic equation,
if the power of x and degree is in descending order.
or can we say general quadratic equation. Quadratic equation arise in several situations in the world of mathematics. So we have to solve the quadratic equation. To solve it, we have different method. We shall discuss all of this. To solve the quadratic equation, we choose the first method, which is by factorization. Let us cite an example: x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So we take the coefficient of x square as 1 and the constant term 10. So we multiply it, we get it 10. Now by factorizing 10, 2 5 is 10, we add it to get the middle term as 3. So 5 plus 2 is 7, which does not match with the middle term, so we don't take it. 5 minus 2, we check it, so it is 3, it matches with the middle term, so we take this 5 minus 2 and open the bracket. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus 2x. So we take common from here x, so we will remain with x minus 5. From these two we take 2 common and x minus 5 is common in both. Now we take common x minus 5, left with x. Together it can be equal to 0, so we take it separately. Either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x equal to 5. Here, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, that means x equal to minus. This is the procedure to solve by factorization. We have to take the coefficient of x square and the constant term and check it whether by factorization, by adding and subtracting it. Here, the second case, we cite an example that to solve by completing square. So we have equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So we take the coefficient of x square and divide the whole term, and we get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Try to make it a completing square.
Right, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is
Say minus b whole square. We try to make it in that form. X square minus 2a, 7 by 2 is there, so 7 by 2 into 2 is 4. So if you cancel it, we will get 7 by 2 itself. So this is extra 7 by 4, we write it in the form of 7 by 4 whole square, which is b square. This we write it extra, so we have to subtract it, plus 3 by 2 as usual above. Then this is the whole is a minus b whole square, so we write it x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 7 is 49, 4 4 is 16 plus 3 by 2. So we simplify this, we take the LCM of 16 and 2 as 16. So 49 minus into plus is minus, 2 is just 16, a 3 is 24. 49 minus 24 is, so x minus 7 by 4
square
equal to 25 by 16. By taking square root, we get it plus minus 5 by 4. Either x minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. By 2, we take this minus to the right hand side, it becomes positive. So we take the LCM of 4 and 4 as 4. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So So we divide this, 4 3 are 12, or x minus 7 by 4 as negative, we take it, and minus 5 by 4, this goes to the right, it becomes plus 7 by 4. So we take the LCM, 4 and minus 5 plus 7 is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2 is our answer. Here we have the third method, that to solve by quadratic formula. We cite an example, 4x square plus x minus 3 equal to 0. From this equation we compare with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation with which we compare this equation, and we take the value of a as 4, value of b as 1 and value of c as minus 3. By quadratic formula we have x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. We put the value of b as 1 plus minus root over 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 4 into c is minus 3. If it is negative, we write inside a bracket. So add 2 into 4 minus 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48, minus into minus is plus. So 48 plus 1 is 49, square root of 49 is 7. Either x equal to, we take it positive sign once and negative signs once. Then we get 7 minus 1 as 6 divided by 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 3 by 4, and here minus 8 by 8, 8 1 is 8. So answer is minus 1. We have to answer 3 by 4 and minus 1. Actually the total solution depend upon this b square minus 4ac. In a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, the value of x depends upon discriminant.
b square minus 4ac.
Or we can say the nature of root depends upon three conditions. Here, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we have two distinct real root, or we may say two different roots. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we don't have roots, so we say no real roots. For a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, the roots of the equation is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac twice a, provided b square minus 4ac must be greater than equal to 0. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and feel free to comment below and comment the topic you may need for solving. Thank you.